What's up, guys? I'm going to do a quick video on an example here for the graphical analysis homework or the assignment you have. So taking a look at this graph, we have a friend places a online order for CDs. If you don't know what CDs are, compact discs. This is an old question on your homework. It won't be so antiquated. So what are the units for the slope of this graph? All right, the units for the slope. The units for the slope are, and I'll do A down here. The units for this slope are rise over run units. So dollars per number of CDs. So dollars oh my goodness, per number of CDs. Doing my best here. All right. What does the slope tell you about the graph in this situation? I'm going to actually type this one. That will be easier. Let me get a text box over here. And I'll do that. So what does the slope tell you in this situation? It tells you, this is where we put our kind of our for every statement. So for every, and remember we put the, for every CD we buy, CD ordered, I guess I'll say. Alright, and the slope is 7. Alright, so for every CD ordered, the cost, which is our other variable, and this is increasing graph going up left to right. So cost increases by 7, and the unit is dollars. So that's kind of how you would want to answer that, $7. And that's what I mean by for every statement. You'll see that again. Write an equation that shows or that models the graph. So this is where I just put everything together. This should be pretty simple for you guys to do. Why did I just do that backwards? That's weird. Let's erase that. And I wanted C. There we go. I think I was trying to do the thing there. I'm going to do another text box for this one. So write an equation that represents the graph. I'm going to use variables like C and cost and maybe amount like A. So if I go here, I do y equals mx plus b. So I have the cost equals 7 with the units. The units are dollars per CD. I guess I'll do like that, per number of CDs. Anyway, times the number of CDs, so the amount of CDs, I'll do A for that, plus, and the y-intercept is 3.6, and that's in the units for the y-intercept would be dollars. So that would be my equation for that graph. And then finally, part D. Part D is asking you to provide an interpretation for what the y-intercept could mean. Well, in this case, that means if I bought 0 CDs, they would still charge me $3.6, $3.60. So in this case, I'm kind of thinking that that's either like that's probably something like a shipping charge. Or a handling fee. So in this case, you know, you're buying 0 CDs and they're still charging you something. That would be like an initial cost. Every order costs $3.60 plus how many CDs you're going to buy from there. All right, so we're analyzing this graph. Hopefully that makes some sense for you guys. Let me know if you have questions at all. Thanks.